Okay.
Internet, I am here with the Interface 2014 Executive Director, Michael Bidu. How's it going, sir?
Good. Awesome. Very good.
Michael heads up the Digital Health Industry Association here in Vancouver called Sanotron, and talk about building something out of nothing. This man has helped to facilitate the cohesion of a bona fide community of people who work together and play together and are learning together.
That's right. Yeah, so what we're doing in Vancouver is quite unique. First of all, we have an extremely talented creative industry here. So we have folks from the health research industry, we have folks from the health academia industry, and we have a bunch of people from the developer world. So we have health, technology, design, social media, and business people. So we brought all these people together to kind of share their ideas about the future of health and the undiscovered consumer, which is the theme of this year's event.
And they're in industries like devices, like these smart devices.
like a Pebble, right?
Telemedicine, like doing
telemedicine,
surgery over the internet. A lot of these social networks where it's like I have a disease and you have a disease and we share.
Patients like me, right? So exactly.
What are some of the other kind of categories that we're seeing as like prominent within the digital health space here?
I mean, so one of the things that came out very strongly this year is the power of genomics. Yeah,
absolutely.
And kind of what it can do for you and I. Both of us were kind of different. Look at us, we're different, right? So we are different. So how come we can't have different healthcare for different people like Kris and I?
Right.
So that's where genomics starts, yeah? So we need to know the DNA so that we can treat you differently than you would treat me. Yeah. So that's the whole idea.
So, Michael, one of the cool things I know you got working on is this Homo Digitus Award. And I'm not asking you to let the cat out of the bag. I know that you know the winners and they'll be announced shortly, but just tell us a little bit about the award.
Okay, so the award is very cool. So first of all, the idea came last year. So we've done this Interface Summit for 3 years now. This is year 3. And so we thought, well, we should reward people for their efforts and all that. And unlike other summits or conferences where people work for 1 year to kind of win an award, whether it's Oscars or whatever, right? So in our case, it's actually the public, our guests.
The actual people's choice.
The actual people's choice, and they vote with their smartphones in real time. Yeah. And so
as the guy gets off stage from a competitive pitching presentation, people are sitting there on their phones voting for these winners, and they get an actual beautiful award.
Absolutely. So now, what's the cool thing about this? Because we wanted to make a statement with this. We 3D printed the head of a skull. Yeah, there you go. So this is basically, you know, the Digitus Awards, the Homo Digitus Awards. It's really a 3D printed model of a human skull.
Walk with me this way. We're sitting here watching seaplanes take off, and we're about to lose our audio.
Oh, there you go. So basically, that's what we did with the skull. And then after that, we created a base. So if Kris, you can move around a little bit so people can actually see this beautiful convention center.
Yes, the yellow cedar and the wall.
So the yellow cedar.
Yes.
Yeah. This is awesome, right? So this is something very unique to the West Coast. And here in this spectacular Vancouver Convention Center, we actually put a base on this 3D printed, you know, human skull. And now we have the Homo Digitus
It's
Award.
very modern, Michael, between the mobile phone voting, the crowdsourcing, the 3D printing, digital health.
It's all innovation.
Very modern.
It's all innovation, and I have a tremendous group of people who are helping me to put this together. Kris is one of them, by the way. Sarah Bailey is another one. And we have another, you know, John Friesen and a few others, David James. All this creative team, actually, we went back to the Olympics, 2008 in Beijing, 2010 in Vancouver. So we've been working on this kind of stuff since then. And now we're kind of, the whole focus with Interface is digital health innovation and technology.
2 more quick things. 1, you're about to take this show on the road. Give me just the highest level summary.
Okay, so the idea here is this is year 3. So we will kind of make it this year. We're breaking even, everything looks good. But we thought about, you know, taking this award show, basically it's Canada's top digital health summit, we're going to take it internationally. So,
as we say on Galiano Island, fish where the fish are.
There you go. So we've got some requests from Shanghai, for instance. We've got some requests from Europe. So the next step for Interface would be to go to Asia, probably Shanghai, and then also in Europe. We'll see where that destination is.
Okay.
And then after that, we'll probably try to go Africa and South America. So we're going to have probably 5 summits in the world in the next 5 years or so.
Now, there's millions and millions of people watching this video right now, and I'm sure they're interested in you taking this on the road. So let them know, where can they find out more information about Interface and find out if it's coming to their country, get involved.
Perfect. So it's very easy. You go to interfacesummit.com. That's our website. So go find out that. We're on Facebook. So it's facebook.com/interfacesummit. And we're also on Twitter @interface. And that's it.
All right.
Very easy.
Michael
Thank
Bidu,
you.
Sanotron.
See you in Vancouver next year.
Hard working light of golden sunshine, this man, Michael
beautiful.
Bidu.
Thank you.
Over and out.